वैसे तो हम अर्जुन कपूर से काफ़ी बार मिल चुके हैं, मगर आज हम बादशाह औरंगज़ेब से मिलने वाले हैं। तो औरंगज़ेब, आपके राज में क्या क्या हो रहा है?
बादशाह औरंगज़ेब ये सब जो नए नए नाम मुझे दिए जा रहे हैं अच्छा लग रहा है।
पहले तो इशकज़ादा था, अब औरंगज़ेब हो गए।
हाँ, अच्छी बात है ना, हर फिल्म के साथ एक नाम जुड़ता जा रहा है तो अच्छा। आइडेंटिटी मेरी अलग अलग बदलती रहती है, जो एक एक्टर चाहता है वो मिल रहा है मुझे। ट्रेलर देख के अगर कोई मुझे बादशाह औरंगज़ेब कह रहा है तो अच्छी बात है, होपफुली फिल्म देखने के बाद सेम चीज़ कहेगा।
बिल्कुल। और कैसे रिएक्शन मिल रहा है? क्योंकि आई थिंक दिस वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट इंटरव्यूज ट्रेलर के बाद।
This is my first interview. I've not been in town तो ये मेरा पहला इंटरव्यू है since the trailers have come out. ओवरवेलमिंग रिस्पॉन्स है बिकॉज मुझे कभी नहीं पता था कि मैंने जब फिल्म सेलेक्ट की थी औरंगज़ेब करना चाहता था, तब मुझे लगा था थोड़ी अलग तरीके की पिक्चर है फॉर अ यंग एक्टर टू डू। इट्स नॉट रन ऑफ द मिल, नाच गाने वाली पिक्चर नहीं है, रोमांस और टिपिकल यशराज फिल्म भी नहीं है। तो आई वॉज वेरी कीन टू फाइंड आउट हाउ द ऑडियंस रिएक्ट्स एंड ऑब्वियसली हमें ऑडियंस से रिएक्शन थोड़ा कम मिलता है, लेकिन इंडस्ट्री से, हमारे दोस्तों से, मेरे दोस्तों से जिनके साथ काम कर रहा हूँ, उनसे सबको बहुत पसंद है और मेरा लुक पसंद है लोगों को। पीपल आर मोस्ट एक्साइटेड विद दिस ensemble स्टार कास्ट, वेदर इज ऋषि कपूर, जैकी श्रॉफ, अमृता सिंह, पृथ्वीराज। So I think just people have enjoyed this whole unique aspect of Aurangzeb, तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ।
Absolutely. And you know, as a newcomer, not everybody gets a double role in just the second film. So how difficult was it to, have this two very role?
कूद गया, जैसे मुझे स्क्रिप्ट मिली मैंने बोला मैं कर रहा हूँ और कोई नहीं करना।
One particular trait which is like very distinct between Vishal and Ajay. What are those?
When you see the film, you'll realize there's a walk which is different. Ajay always wants to be the center of attention. जब वो कमरे के अंदर घुसेगा, वो हमेशा बीच में जाके, as in it might not register to everybody, but that is how I analyzed it. He'll always walk in to be the center of attention in a situation, in a scenario. Vishal will always try and blend into the crowd or be at the corner. Very minor things. When people see the film, hopefully उनको ज़्यादा अंदाज़ा होगा, because ये चीज़ें एक एक्टर सोच के करता है, होपफुली दुआ करता है कि ऑडियंस पकड़े इन सब चीज़ों को। तो मैं ज़्यादा बोलना नहीं चाहूँगा। I'd rather let people see it and enjoy it for what I've tried to do and what we've tried to achieve with these characters.
And if you have to talk about Arjun, you demand attention or you don't demand attention? You're center of attention, that सब मुझे देखो please.
आपको क्या लगता है?
आप बताइए, मैं क्यों बोलूँ?
Yeah, honestly, it's quite a contradiction to being an actor. I don't really enjoy the attention too much. I love being on a film set. The social scenarios में I'm not like that.
You're not like that. No. I mean, you don't demand attention कि हाँ सब मुझे देखें।
मैं थोड़ा मीडिया से भी डरता हूँ. I'm not very fond of.
Doesn't look like, थोड़ा बहुत जितना interact किया, but doesn't look like that you want to be away from media.
But it's not like I'm over the top and I'll be in front of the media all the time. I'm quite happy being in my own space. So if you ask me personally, I'm not completely the in your face loud kind of person. I'm not always wanting to be the center of attention. I like to blend in and merge. That's more fun. You can observe a lot more.
Come back to Aurangzeb. How was it working with the veterans like Rishi Kapoor and Jackie Shroff, Amrita Singh? So how was it?
Honestly, that's one question which I've been asked so many times, and I can only say one thing. It's a learning experience to work with all these actors. And I always say this, इशकज़ादे में मैं सबके साथ काम कर रहा था, सब नए थे. There's a different energy on set, there's a different understanding of things, there's a different way you do scenes. To work with all these fine actors, they understand acting so much more easily and much better. And a director just has to tell them so much and they can change everything around there. So it's amazing to just watch them at work. And you have to be prepared as an actor to be around them, because they're not going to give you many opportunities. They're so good. वो एक दो टेक में सीन खत्म हो जाता है. So obviously there's an evolution from इशकज़ादे to today working in Aurangzeb with whether it's Chintu uncle, Jackie uncle, and these are all people have grown up in front of. So for me it was a different world altogether. Suddenly जिनके साथ मैं जिनके पैर छूता हूँ शॉर्ट सुबह suddenly उनको बोलना है good day, I have to suddenly talk. So it's a little strange, but they don't let that get to them, as in they don't take themselves so seriously. That's another nice part after so many years being in the industry. All of these actors, including whether it's Sikandar and Prithvi, and even people who are younger. Prithvi is 80 films old in the South, and just the humbleness and the sincerity that he came to work with it teaches you so much offset as well as in front of the camera. Yes. They don't take their stardom seriously beyond a point. They don't become अरे हम तो ऐसे करेंगे हम तो, and that's so nice to watch, because that makes you realize how much you have to achieve and still be grounded in life. So I've learned a lot off set and on set with these people around me.
You also have two states and Gunde. So how are both the films shaping up?
Fantastic. I've just finished a schedule for 2 states in Ahmedabad. We shot in IIM. It's a beautiful campus, and it was a pleasure working on that set. It's still, I've only shot about 30-35 days of it. We still have a good amount of shooting left. Gunde I've shot about 60 odd days and it's been an absolute blast. So both the films are shaping up really well, fingers crossed. But right now I'm just getting into the groove of promoting Aurangzeb. So there's a lot happening in my life, but I'm happy.
On that note, thank you so much and all the best for Aurangzeb. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.